This is a radius. I'm sure you know what a radius is. This line is called tangent. We call it tangent because it is a straight line that touches a circle at a point. So whenever you see a line that touches a circle at a point, we call it tangent. So the angle between a tangent and a radius is always 90 degrees. The angle between a tangent and a radius is always 90 degrees. So let's apply. This is a radius, this is a tangent, and we know that the angle here is what? Is 90 degrees. Good. And we are aware that the sum of angles in a triangle add up to what? It adds up to 180 degrees. You can see that this is a triangle, a right angle triangle. So we say A plus 65 degrees plus 90 degrees. This stands for 90 degrees. Okay, good. Equals 180 degrees. A plus this is 155 degrees, which equals 180 degrees. We move this to the other side. So A equals 180 degrees minus 155 degrees. A equals 25 degrees. So the value of A is what? Is 25 degrees. Do you understand? Good. This is the center of a circle, this is a radius, and this is a tangent. And we know that the angle between a radius and a tangent is what? Is 90 degrees. So, x plus something here must give us 90 degrees. But we don't have anything here, so let's call it b. So we know that b plus x must give us 90 degrees. We don't know b, we don't know x. So if we know the value of b, we can easily subtract b from 90 degrees so that we can know the value of x. So how do we find the value of b? This is an isosceles triangle. Can you see it? Good. Every triangle in a circle is always an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are always equal. The angle resting on this third line they are base angles, so they are equal. That is, this is already b, so the other side becomes b. Now we can easily find the value of b using the sum of angles in a triangle. So we say b plus b plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees. Are you following me? Good. B plus b is 2b. We need to move this to the other side. So this equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. This minus this is 60 degrees. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. 2 in 60 is 30. So b equals 30 degrees. Now that we found the value of b, you can see that we can easily find the value of x. Remember, the angle here is always 90 degrees. This is already 30 degrees. The x equals 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. This gives us 60 degrees. So the value of x is what? 60 degrees. So all you had to do was to calm down and think out of the box, okay? If you look at this circle, you will notice that a line is touching the circle. So that means the angle it forms here and here must be 90 degrees. So H is 90 degrees. And also the sum of G and F must be 90 degrees. So we don't know their values yet, so we can't touch it. Another thing you will notice is there is a line in the middle of the circle, so that divides the circle into two parts. So this is a semicircle. This side is a semicircle, the other side is a semicircle. Meanwhile, an angle is drawn in the semicircle. You remember, in circle theorem, whenever an angle is drawn in a semicircle, that angle must be 90 degrees. So E becomes 90 degrees. So now that we have E, it is easier for us to find the value of F. All we have to do is to apply the sum of angles in a triangle. So F equals 180 degrees minus 90 degrees plus 62 degrees, that is 152 degrees. So when you subtract this, it will give us 28 degrees. So now that we have found the value of F, it is easier for us to find the value of G, because G plus F must be 90 degrees. So all we have to do is subtract 28 from 90 degrees. So G equals to 90 degrees minus 28, which will give us 62 degrees. Do you understand? Good. Did you get it right? Good.